elements into blocks. On the basis of electronic configuration, elements are divided into 4 blocks: S, P, T and F blocks. A block is named after the subshell which the last electron of the atom enter, that is, which is successfully filled. We have seen that group 1 and group 2, the S subshell is successfully filled, and so these groups constitute S block element. If you see that S block element, what are the elements are present in S block? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. If you see that electronic configuration, the outermost shell, it is s orbital. The electrons are present in s orbital. So if you see this s block element, what is electronic configuration of general formula for electronic configuration of s block element? N S 1 to 2. So only 2 are there. So N S 1 to 2. N means energy level. S is S block. So it contains 1 electrons or 2 electrons. That only can be shown in S block element. The general formula is N S 1 2. That is a common formula for finding the electron which is present in particular group or period. And these also belong to S block element: beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and rubidium. See the electronic configuration, you know that electrons fill with a lower energy level to higher energy level. See each and every element, they are represented by this shorter form like a noble gas configuration. Instead of writing all those electronic configuration, we can write Ar 4s2. Ar means argon. Strontium 38. Instead of writing all those 38, krypton 5s2. But you should know that electronic configuration of noble gases very carefully, so that you write and do the practice of electronic configuration of all the noble gases. If you learn the noble gases electronic configuration, it is easy to write the other electronic configuration, because if you are dividing into block elements, S block means no problem, it will be the last electron will be the S block. These are the atomic number with electronic configuration of S block element. Here are the elements which are present in S block. What are they? Hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, all these elements are S block elements. Characteristics of S block element. So all the S block elements are soft metal. They have low melting point and boiling point. They are highly reactive. Most of them impart colors to the flame. They generally form ionic compound. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. These are the common characteristics of S block element: soft metal, low melting and boiling point, highly reactive. Most of them impart colors to the flame. They generally form ionic compound. They are good conductors of heat and electricity.